Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. A hot minute, but I am back now and I'm excited to be back filming. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys. I wanted to do like an easy summer smoky cut crease, and I struggled with this look. You guys have seen the course of the video and my eyes are still tearing, but we'll get through that. If you want to see how I achieve this look over here, please keep on watching. Don't mind my nails, okay? Hopefully I get them fixed soon. Can't promise that. Alright, keep on watching guys. So I'm starting off with doing my my eyes, and I'm priming my eyes with my Smashbox primer in light, and I'm just putting that over my lid, you know, just before I put my concealer. Then I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, and I'm going to put that right under my brows, and I'm going with my LA Girl in Ivory, and that is going to be my eyeshadow base. I like to go in with the Chestnut first so I can mix it, you know, my brow bone is not just there looking white like that. So I'm just blending that out, and I'm going to set that with my Airspun translucent powder in extra translucent, I think. I'm just gonna lightly set that. Now I'm going into my Juvia's Space Nubian 1 palette. That is the only palette I'm going to use for this look, and I'm taking that color and I'm just using that as my transition color. Then using that darker brown chocolate color, I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I wanted to use just one color for this look, you know, not complicating you guys. And I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going back with that brush I used for the transition color, and I'm just blending. Now I'm gonna take this dark, really dark brown, almost black color, and I'm just gonna put that in my outer V, and I'm gonna bring that light inside lightly as well. I'm just gonna blend. Then I'm just going back with that crease color, and I'm just blending. I just keep going back and forth until everything is blended, and I'm going back with that transition color, and I'm just blending. I went ahead to do a half cut crease. I didn't want to bore you guys with that on camera. I used my LA Girl in light, and I'm just going back with that really dark color I put on my outer V, and I'm just cleaning up the crease. You can see the difference between the two eyes. Now taking that color, I'm just gonna put that in my center lid using a wet synthetic brush. I'm just going to gently put that there, and I'm gonna blend that with the darker color. Now I'm going in with this really nice goldish color, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corners of my eye and just blend that with that center lid color. Now I'm taking that same primer. I'm gonna prime my face. See, this is where I had a problem. It was the face when I was talking about the problem in the beginning. Every time I mix, and I know that already, right, but for some reason I still do it. Every time I mix these two primers, I always have issues, and my face reacts to the weather. It's crazy. If it's a bit chill or cold that day, my face is dry. And then this foundation, this Fenty foundation that I look like a raccoon. I love this foundation, but when I'm applying it, it always looks weird, or by the time I'm done with my makeup, it always comes out flawless. I don't know how, but that's what happens. But because the foundation is a bit matte, it's a matte foundation, so using that with a matte primer, sometimes it cold, you know, and that's what happened. The foundation was breaking up on me while I was doing my face, and you'll see that, you know, when I'm done blending, you'll see that when I set my face. So this is my I concealed my face with my Chestnut concealer, and I just mixed my Airspun translucent powder and my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium, and I'm contouring my face with my Morphe 35O palette. So you guys know that I use the palette to contour, and I'm just setting my face. I sped up this process. I have a really detailed, you know, foundation routine, highlight and contour, and I'll put that at the end of the video. So you can see how patchy my face looks. You can see that, like, it was just a hot mess, and yeah, eventually I still had the patches even after the makeup was done, but it wasn't really bad. So I just blended on my face, and I set my face with my MAC Cosmetics powder in the NW58, and I'm just taking that brush I used to contour, pinching it, and I'm contouring my nose. So I'm using my Maybelline Neo gel liner to line my waterline, and I'm going to take that color I used for my crease and put that underneath my eyes, and also the one I used at the outer V, and putting that right underneath my waterline and blending. Now using my Juvia's Place blush palette in volume 2. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been using this palette to highlight lately. I have never really used it, but I did a look highlighting with it, and since then I have not used any other highlighter, and I really love it. So I highlighted my brow bone with that, and also my entire face. I don't know, this highlighter is life. I was like, it's not gonna fit like, you know, dark skin, but I really love it. So I'm just highlighting, putting that in my inner corners, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, you know the drill. Just same old. And I'm gonna blush with my MAC Cosmetics blush and raisins. I've had this blush for I think over 5 years. It just never finishes. Like, I don't know. So I'm just blushing up my face and, you know, spraying my Mario Badescu setting spray in rose water, I believe, and I'm just fanning that in to set. Then I went ahead to, you know, put my jewelry, put on my bun or whatever, and then I'm lining my lips with my Wet n Wild brow pencil in dark brown. You can see the sides of my lips are a little bit patchy. That's where I had issues with mostly. And then I'm using this Black Radiance gloss that I've been loving lately. I forgot the name. I'll put it down below. And this is the finished look, guys. So this is the finished look, guys. I just, you know, put on some jewelry. I have this poof. I forgot where I got it from, but I'll put the link to the hair in the bottom. It's like a huge ass poof, and I just like swoop my hair back or whatever. I have a very detailed video of, you know, gelling doing a ponytail with short hair. So if you want to see how I achieved that, I'll put the link at the end of the video, so you can check it out. It's very, very detailed. Alright, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys like this look, even though I struggled with it a little bit, but yeah, I really hope you guys like it. So don't forget to leave and not exist. Okay, I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.